Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to recover deleted messages on Instagram. So let's just begin. As you can see here that we are already inside our Instagram profile. So to recover our deleted messages, we have to tap on these three lines that we have on the top right side. And here what we have to do, we have to search for the option which is actually security. Now you can see the option of password and security. We have to tap on that. And here you can see the option of your information and permissions in account settings. So we have to tap on that. Now you can see the option of download your information. So we have to tap on that. Now you will be able to see download or transfer information. So we have to tap on that again. And now you can see two options, all available information and some of your information. So since we only wanted to recover the deleted messages, so we're going to tap on some of your information. So from here, you can see the different options in the Instagram activity. So we actually have to search for messages in the search bar. You can see we have the messages at the top of the search. So we have to select the messages now. All right. So after selecting the messages, I would go back and now I will scroll down and you will be able to see that messages are selected. So now what we have to do, we have to tap on next button. Okay, so now we can see the two options, download to device and transfer to destination. So we have to tap on download to device. Now our information is ready to be exported. So now what we have to do, we have to tap on create files and we'll be able to download our messages that would also include removed messages as well. So this is how we can recover deleted messages on Instagram. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.